Hey guys, welcome back to AI Arena channel. Quick question, what if your selfies could talk, sing, or even go viral? No studio, no camera crew, just pure AI magic. Today we're diving into one of the wildest tools out there for creators, marketers, and anyone trying to blow up online. This one's called Capcut, and it just unlocked a new level of AI creativity that might actually make you money if you play it right. Let's dive into details. Alright, but first, how to get the new Capcut features. You must first click on the link in the description area to open it. Click download to download it to the PC desktop, and open the Capcut application for use on the desktop. Then you can see all the new AI features here. So here's the deal. Capcut dropped a set of insane new features, including AI dialogue scene and AI avatars. These aren't just filters, we're talking about full-on digital actors that you control. Imagine uploading a regular photo and turning it into a talking, singing, emoting character in seconds. Want to run a meme page? Start a faceless podcast? Launch an AI influencer? This is your launchpad. Let's get into the good stuff. With AI dialogue scene, you can turn a static face into a full performance. Type a line, upload a voice, or grab trending sounds. Over 100 voice styles, plus support for multiple languages like English, Spanish, Portuguese, you name it. And you can control the scene duration too. 4, 8, 12 seconds, you choose. It's built for punchy viral content, fast edits, and non-stop output. You can literally crank out dozens of videos a day and flood your socials. Next up, image and video generation. This is your instant content factory. Feed it a prompt or upload a pic, boom. You've got an AI video or photo in seconds. Want a digital painting, talking animal, anime music video? It's all here. No editing skills needed. This isn't just fun. It's a shortcut to building a content empire with nothing but ideas and a phone. Now, the AI avatar generator is where things get wild. You can create realistic avatars that talk, sing, dance, and interact. They look amazing, and they're perfect for building digital personalities. Want to create a character-based YouTube series? Start an AI-driven TikTok account? Or just meme yourself into virality? You've got the tools right here. These avatars don't sleep, don't age, don't complain, and they work 24/7. So which viral faceless formats are trending right now on TikTok? One of the most viral faceless formats right now is short-form storytelling with AI avatars delivering shocking facts, deep conspiracy threads, or did-you-know style revelations. These channels rake in views by hooking curiosity. Titles like "This Billionaire Disappeared Without a Trace" or "AI Just Uncovered a Global Data Leak" are everywhere. Using Capcut, you can easily build your own digital host, script the voice with AI dialogue scene, and match the visuals using generated images or videos. Add dramatic music, zooms, and captions all in the app. It's fast, faceless, and perfect for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. These videos go viral because they hit fast, feel smart, and tap into endless trending topics. Another channel type blowing up right now is faceless horror, mystery, and true crime content. Think top 10 creepy urban legends caught on camera, the unsolved case that still haunts Japan, or real AI-generated horror story based on Reddit posts. With Capcut, you can generate AI avatars to narrate, create eerie visuals with the image-to-video tools, and control pacing with sound design and transitions. No face, no voice, no filming, just smart use of prompts and storytelling. These formats dominate because they fuel binge-watching and perform insanely well with titles that spark fear, curiosity, or disbelief. And creators in e-commerce fashion, listen up. AI fashion model is your secret weapon. Upload a clothing photo, pick a body type and pose, and get a photorealistic model instantly. Forget paying for shoots or chasing models. This is how you test designs, launch products, or market your brand with zero overhead. Game on. Bottom line, this tool isn't just cool, it's powerful. Whether you're here for laughs, storytelling, brand building, or straight-up monetization, Capcut gives you a massive, unfair advantage, and it's all inside one app. Hit that download, start experimenting, and let your content do the talking. Your next viral moment might be just one prompt away. And hey, subscribe, hit that bell, because we've got more crazy AI drops coming. This is just the beginning. Catch you in the next one.